I'm Sara, and today I'm going to go over how to replace the two CR123 batteries in the TASER Pulse Plus. First things first, we want to make sure that there are no cartridges inserted in the device and that the safety is in the off position. So to remove the battery cap, we're going to go ahead and turn it over and apply pressure to the back of the cap. It's going to slide forward and slide off of the device. Next, we're going to take the battery pack out. If it doesn't come out immediately when you turn it over, you can apply pressure to the sides and it'll slide down for you there. There is a connector inside, so you want to make sure that you're doing this gently so you don't damage this connector. You can put your finger on the inside, hold that wire in place, and then go ahead and pull to disconnect. So once you have the battery pack out here, what we ask is that you're going to put pressure on the curved side of the battery first. So you apply pressure there, and then you apply pressure on the flat surface there. You'll see then that this top piece pops off. Once that pops off, the two CR123 batteries are inside of this pack. You can remove the old batteries, replace them with the new batteries, and then put this back into place. You'll see the plus and minus. It'll coordinate here with the batteries and the little cutout notch there where the wire goes, so you'll know how to put this back on. We'll pop that back into place and go ahead and snap it on. Line up the connectors on the battery pack itself, so you'll see the two connectors here. You can line them up and go ahead and slide that into place. Once that's connected, you can reinsert the battery pack, and then this will slide back on. So slide that into place. The weapon now pointed in a safe direction. We'll go ahead and arm the device. See the green battery light, and you are all good to go.